use a trim tool or a screwdriver, but I like to use the trim tool. That way I can just go like that. So that's what that tag does. That pin goes down in. If you have a clip like this, I use this kind of body tool, and then you just grab both sides, squeeze, and you can pull the tag right up. Now with a pair of pliers, we're just going to remove our hose clamps on the two hoses connected to the radiator overflow tank. Just give a pull. If they're stuck on there, I like to bring it to the second notch and loosely grab it and pull. Being careful not to puncture the rubber with the pliers. Now we need a socket, for a 10mm socket for 1 and 2 mounting bolts. There's one. Second one. And you lift your tank right up. I'm going to put the top hose on first, and the bottom hose on. Make sure they go all the way in, flush. And I'll start my 2 mounting bolts. One there, one back here. Tighten it down. Reattach your clamps. And the bottom one. I like to line it up the way the grooves, you can see where it was sitting before. I have had them leak if they don't sit exactly where they were. Now we're going to just take the cover off and add coolant to the system. Look up your manufacturer's specs for the ratio of coolant strength. Now we can install the upper decorative cover and start from this side, and you can work your way over with the pins. So I'm going to put my 2 push pins like this, one there and then one here. And then I'll put the rest of my pins in all the way around.